Hey everyone, wondering how cars are packed for shipping? And today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so your car arrives safe and sound, whether it's across the country or overseas. Before your car even leaves, it needs prep. That means checking tire pressure, topping off fluids, and removing loose items inside the vehicle. Anything left inside could shift during transit and cause damage, so it's best to pack personal items separately. Next comes securing your vehicle. Cars are carefully strapped down and sometimes placed with wheel chocks to prevent any movement. This step is critical. Even a small shift can scratch or dent your car during shipping. Now, how your car is packed also depends on the transport method. Open carriers are common and cost-effective, but for luxury or classic cars, enclosed containers offer maximum protection from weather and road debris. Either way, proper packing is key to keeping your car pristine. So there you have it. Prepping, securing, and selecting the right shipping method are the main steps in how cars are packed for shipping. Following these steps ensures your car arrives safely and on time. For personalized advice and quotes, head over to a1autotransport.com, and if you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more expert auto shipping tips you can trust.